Hey guys, how are you? Join me in this video as I explore the perfect summer hues that enhance tan skin tones. So here are some color suggestions that can suit your tan skin tone during the summer that I got from some sources. Turquoise. The bright and refreshing hue of turquoise can enhance your tan and bring out a tropical vibe. Coral. This shade is perfect for summer, as it adds a lively and fresh look to your complexion. Peach. This soft and warm color adds a gentle glow to your skin tone, creating a lovely summer look. Yellow. Opt for sunny shades of yellow like lemon or mustard, which can complement your tan and exude a cheerful summer vibe. Mint. This cool and soothing color can be a great choice, providing a refreshing contrast to your tan skin tone. Remember, these are just suggestions, and personal preference plays an important role. Experiment with different colors and shades to find what makes you feel confident and comfortable during the summer season. Thank you for watching and supporting us by subscribing to our channel.